Hi, I'm Renz. I'm a student here in the College of Education, and I'm here to let you know about the resources that exist here at SDSU that can make a positive impact to your success and personal well-being. Did you know that there's a place on campus that offers support to students for a variety of concerns relating to well-being? It's the SDSU Counseling and Psychological Services. We're here at the Counseling and Psychological Services, which is on the 4th floor of the Cal Poly Center. Let's head inside.
Hi, my name's Brooke. I'm the Programs Coordinator here at Counseling and Psych Services. Welcome to the Center for Wellbeing.
Thank you. So what is this place?
Basically, it's a relaxation space for students, designed by students, actually, designed by some of our peer educators. There's lots of different quiet spaces for students to study. We have a massage chair, different self-help books and things like that. So just a place where students can kind of come relax away from the hecticness of campus.
So who is this place for specifically?
It's for any SDSU student, really. Anybody who just wants a nice quiet space to relax is welcome to come here. There's no appointment needed. Students can just walk in whenever our department's open. So that's 8 to 4:30, Monday through Friday.
So what services do you provide?
Yeah, so Center for Wellbeing is just one of the things we offer to students. We have a lot of different services to support student mental health, so things like individual counseling, group counseling, couples counseling. We have things like support groups and workshops, like educational workshops. We have our therapy dogs, Baxter and Luna, who are around campus, hanging out with students. So lots of different things to support student mental health and well-being.
Say I want to access services. What should I do?
The easiest way is just to give us a call and you talk to the front desk. Just let them know you're interested in accessing services here or talking to a therapist. And they'll likely get you set up with what's called a phone consultation, which is a conversation with the therapist to kind of hear about what your maybe concerns are or what you're looking for, and then kind of get you set up with the next step.
Thank you. And there you have it. Find out what the Counseling and Psychological Services can do for you.